Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to change the language in the TikTok app. Whether you want to explore TikTok in a different language or simply prefer using it in your native language, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom drawer of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. From the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the TikTok menu. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Within this section, locate and tap on Content and Display. Step 5. In the Content and Display settings, tap on Language. This will give you access to the language settings. Step 6. Inside the language settings, tap on App Language. Here, you can switch to your preferred language from the available options. Once you've selected your preferred language, tap on Done to save the changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the language in the TikTok app, ensuring a more personalized and enjoyable experience tailored to your language preference. Thank you for watching, and enjoy TikTok in your preferred language.